Step 1. Long press sleep aid to enter setting mode. Step 2. Set the sleep aid duration. Rotate the selector to set the sleep assistance duration. Press selector to confirm. Step 3. Select sleep sounds. Rotate selector to set sleep sound. Press selector to confirm. Step 4. Set the sleep sound volume. Rotate the selector to set the sleep sound volume. Press selector to confirm. Step 5. Set up a sleep aid lamp. Rotate the selector to set the sleep aid lighting effect. Press selector to confirm. Rotate the selector setting to adjust the light brightness. Press selector to turn off sleep mode or press sleep aid to turn on off. Press sleep aid to enter sleep aid mode.